show you, wait. This is the original headache. So finally, after a lot of off-roading, so we came here. You won't even believe the view, so just check it out. That's where.
You see the moon?
There is the moon. Wow. By the way, it's still 5:15ish. There's not too much wind, that's the plus point. Pilot Tilak jota drone sweetie.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಮೂರು ಗಾಡಿ ಮಿಡಲ್.
So alright, so this is the place. We're leaving for now. So one mirror is gone. I will tell you the story going forward. So with that, we are heading back. Pataka. So basically what happened yesterday, that tire got cut very thin, which will be a default manufacturing defect. So I'll show you when I stop. And the mirror broke. Like I did not hit anywhere. It's just that the bracket came off. So superbike off-roading scenes. I need to be little careful because I'm very dependent on mirror while riding. That is a very big problem I need to take care of. And the place name is called Kanive, so you can put it on Google. You should be able to come through it, but I wouldn't recommend on super bikes because it will tire you out, especially super sport. So if you're taking good breaks and then coming, it's all right. With luggage and all, with backpack, we did it. But there's a couple of viewpoints like we have seen yesterday. One, the sunrise/sunset point, and I would have showed this a couple of games that you can do. So where we had parked bikes, you can also play cricket as well, some sort of sports. So we're returning back only today because today is Independence Day. While that we are riding back, so you will see a fake, etc. So if I see mud, I'll get scared. Wow, look at this. Look at this view, man. you see mountains, right? It actually basically has multiple mountains inside that. Because of the, what do you call, of the fog, mist, whatever, right? It looks so shadowed. This part of the side is pretty beautiful actually. Lovely. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ HP ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ you won't get Indian oil, which is okay. So fuel stop number, whatever, I don't know. Let's figure out. I think 1000 rupees ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಬಹುದು. Let's see. 905 was the petrol, so 1500, 1010, 900. So 2500 for now. Hassan is about 99 kilometers, Bangalore is about 268, which is okay. But the problem is too much of traffic today, incoming traffic. That's another concern. So we'll straight see you in Hassan. Until then, stay tuned. So the plan is to stop for directly a lunch. We are taking a small break in between, like a coffee break or something. So then we realized let's take a proper one lunch break. Anyway, it's 2:15. By the time we eat, by the time we reach, we can go off somewhere. So let's go have lunch and I'll catch you up after the break. So we're done with lunch. You might see us coming out really fast because some wedding has happened and looks like they've asked everyone to eat here. So because of that, all thing is messed up. See, look at inside crowd. We could hardly see. In this you can't see, but there's a lot of people inside. Got so bonkers about it. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಗ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಕ ಅದರ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನೋ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಕೀ. ಅದೇ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ರಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಜೋಬಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So for a second what happened, I left the keys somewhere. I searched everywhere, so it was right next to Apram's bike. God, losing a bike key during your ride is so pain, and that too while returning back. Oh, feels heaven. This sweat feels heaven because I'm cooling up inside. Just now we had lunch, paid about $500, and there was a marriage that has happened nearby. So everyone who nearby came to that place to eat itself, or rather everyone has booked to come there.
So this is what happened. So tire cut. So basically it is a brand new tire, so we'll replace it anyway. We just see the depth of it. Luckily it's not go so deep, but it's like slightly thinner than a screw. Maybe the edge of it. We'll get it replaced.